Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Curd and watermelon face pack for spotless skin. It is hard to wish away the dark spots and pigmentation marks on the skin, particularly when the sun beats down really hard. Summer brings with it a set of skincare issues such as open pores, acne, blemishes, suntan and uneven skin tone. And we end up getting facial after facial, and sometimes even bleaches to get a spotless skin that is clear, soft and smooth. But none of these fancy treatments at the salon yield desired results. In just a week of getting a facial, your skin is back to its old condition, rough and patchy. We say, it is pretty worthless to waste money on these chemical treatments when you can get a better one in the comfort of your home. Make use of the popular summer fruit watermelon, and just another ingredient, curd, to put together this face pack. This natural 2-ingredient face pack will improve your skin elasticity, remove the dark spots and pigmentation, and give you a spotless skin. Extremely cost-effective, and naturally improves your complexion. Curd and watermelon face pack for spotless skin. Ingredients: 4-5 large chunks watermelon, 3 tablespoons curd. Method of preparation: 1. De-seed the watermelon chunks and crush into pulp in a small bowl. 2. Tip in the curd. 3. Blend the 2 ingredients thoroughly till they form a thick, fine paste. 4. Cleanse your face with a cotton swab dipped in rose water. 5. Using a makeup brush, apply the face pack generously, going another time over the affected areas. 6. Allow it to dry for about 15 minutes. 7. Rinse off with cool water and apply a moisturizer. Repeat this ritual twice a week for at least 3 weeks to see visible results. At the end of 1 month you will have a smooth and spotless skin naturally. No sunburn or uneven skin tone. How watermelon is good for the skin: a rich source of vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient in production of collagen. Collagen is a substance that makes the skin soft and elastic. Besides, it is also loaded with beta-carotene and lycopene that soothes the skin and protects it against sunburn and fights pigmentation and dark spots. How curd is good for the skin: curd has natural anti-aging properties that help fight wrinkles and fine lines. Also, it is rich in lactic acid, which makes large, open pores shrink and removes dead skin cells, making the skin clear and bright. Just 2 ingredients, and your fruity facial is ready. Try today to get a glorious complexion and beat the sun.